Hello traders, Rich here and welcome to Bitcoin in a Minute Day 36 on July 28th. As usual, if you like this series, let me know in the comments or simply leave a like. So let's get started. As we can clearly see, Bitcoin broke above this range but then got stuck inside another range after breaking above the previous one. So the upper band would be in this case, as mentioned yesterday in my picture analysis, this high here, because as mentioned in the video analysis that we are overall bullish, Bitcoin is still making higher lows and higher highs, right? So we are still bullish from a market structure perspective. That's why we're expecting a rejection from here for the price to form a lower high. So which happened anyway. For the bulls now to take full control to be able to push price higher, as mentioned, we need to see a break above this high here. That's why you see my alert here. That's first. In this case, a movement higher would be expected. And why the 2830K? Because it's a massive support zone from daily time frame. It was acting as support, of course, broken downward, now acting as a resistance. That's first. Second, we've got an aggressive movement down from here, so it's a supply zone as well. Moreover, we've got this non-horizontal trend line acting as a non-horizontal resistance. So that's why we'll be speculating a bearish reversal, which would be a trend continuation from a long-term perspective. This is our first case or our first scenario. If we break above this, meanwhile, we can still reject this area and trade lower and get stuck inside this range until eventually we have the break. That's our upper bound. For the lower bound, I don't know if you can see the alerts now from the video, but I got two alerts here. The first one is if we retest this area again. Second one is if we break it downward. So if we break this one downward, it would be that the bears are trying to take over and they will take full control after breaking below this lower bound, which would be just like previously, break below this one, trade it lower, and so on. If you break below this 18K, then a movement to the lower bound, like which I mentioned many times previously, till the 10 12K would be expected. So long story short, we are currently stuck inside a range after breaking the previous range from H1 time frame. This would be for the bears to take over from a short-term perspective and drag the price lower. But this is what I care about, breaking below this entire area for the bears to take over from a long-term perspective and push to the 12K. Let's see how it goes if we get this break or this break to trade lower and then this break to trade below for the next impulse to start. Best of luck and I'll see you on the next one.